Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these eyes, cute eyes. Now starting with the middle part, black part, make 3 chain crochet stitches, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So like we get a very small tiny bit circle, gap, hole in between. See, this small gap we get in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Okay, so now each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle and make stitches. So now we will make 6 single crochet stitches. Okay, each time we will insert our needle in that gap, in that hole, grab the yarn, pull through and make a single crochet stitch. So we will make similarly 6 single crochet stitches and 6 double crochet stitches. Okay, for double crochet stitches we will first we are done with the single crochet stitches. Okay, now there goes our last stitch. Okay, now we will make double crochet stitches. For double crochet stitches we will yarn over, insert our needle from that gap, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. So similarly in that similar pattern we are going to make 6 double crochet stitches, and when we are done with 6 double crochet stitches we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll just complete this and show you. Here I join my first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So this black part, middle part, inside part is complete. Okay, see it's a bit oval. Now for the last round we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. See, we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. Then our black part is like done. I will show you final piece. See, this is how our black part will look. Little bit oval in shape. Now to start with the middle circle, we will, as usual, we will make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 6 chain crochet stitches. And when we are done with 6 chain crochet stitches, then we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we are done with our 6 chain crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There goes our slip stitch. After slip stitch we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now see, in first 3 stitches we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. Okay, in starting 3 stitches. Okay, we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each of the 3 stitches. Now once we are done with those 3 stitches, for next 3 stitches we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches using back loop of every stitch. 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, in first 3 stitches we make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch, and next 3 stitches we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each stitch using back loop of all of every stitch. Now once we are done with our double crochet stitches also, so now we will join our first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, so this also we are getting in an oval form. Okay, now for next round pattern is going to be, wherever we have made single crochet stitches, we will make one single crochet stitch in each stitch wherever we have made single crochet stitches. Okay, and where we made double crochet stitches, in each double crochet stitch we will make two half double crochet stitches. Okay, wherever we have made single crochet stitches, there we will make one single crochet stitch in each stitch, and wherever we have made double crochet stitches, there we will make two half double crochet stitches in each stitch. And by end we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. This here we are joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now for the last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, for it's all around. For last round we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch. So like after this, our blue part is also done, so we will just stitch our black part on it. See, our blue part is done now. We just have to place a black part and stitch it up. Okay, and make two on that black part, make two triangle or circle square in two opposite direction to get that cute look. Now we will go for the white part. Okay, now make a slip knot, and after that make 9 chain crochet stitches. After we are done with 9 chain crochet stitches, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, we have joined first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Then make a chain crochet stitch. Now see here, for starting 3 stitches, we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. See, for starting 3 stitches, we are making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch. And after that, for rest of the 6 stitches we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, rest of the 6 stitches we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Now once we are done with the stitches, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, see, also we get that oval shape. Now for next round, wherever we have made single crochet stitches, okay, we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, wherever we have made single crochet stitches, we will make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. And where we have made double crochet stitches, there we will make 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, wherever we have made double crochet stitches, there we make 2 half double crochet stitches in each single stitch. And by end we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now done with the stitches, we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, and for now last round we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. For last round we are going to make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around. And when we are done with it, like, we have to place that blue and black circles, eyes circles on this white part also. Now we just need to stitch this blue and black part on the white part, and following exactly same pattern, make one more eye. Okay, two eyes, and just make two squares in two opposite direction on that black part for that cute look.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.